guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a front porch DIY. You'll need either a metal star or metal flower from the Dollar Tree, Waverly chalk white paint, blue and red paint, a sponge paintbrush, some twine, also some wood letters that you can pick up from Walmart, Michael's, or Hobby Lobby. So this is the board that I'm going to be using. It's 4 feet by 10 inches. You can pick up any board that you would like, whatever size you want to use is perfect for yourself. But this is what I had on hand. I started painting it with the Waverly white chalk paint. Chalk paint is amazing. You don't have to prep your area, you can just start painting whatever item you want to paint.
Even if the sky is falling down,
so here I'm starting to paint the wood letters. I switch between the red and the blue. You can paint it however you want, if you want all your letters to be red or if you want all your letters to be blue, but I chose to mix it up.
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Here I started to hot glue all the letters to my board. I decided to spell out hello. I thought it would be a cute little sign instead of the traditional welcome sign. As you can see on the bottom, I was going to use the metal flower as the O, but instead I didn't end up liking it, so instead I used a letter O instead of the metal flower. I used the metal flower, you'll see where I ended up putting it.
Back to what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again, driving this like a spirit.
So this is where I decided I ended up not liking the metal flower as my O, and I ended up changing it to the wood letter, as you can see right here.
Don't lose control, I'm speeding fast to chase my soul, I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go, I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane light.
Now I'm going to be wrapping around some twine on the bottom and the top of my board. You start off with hot gluing the back of the board with just some twine so it'll stay in place.
And every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. so empty deep within. Where did I go wrong? Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I lost my soul.
So here I was deciding if I wanted to use the metal flower or the metal star.
Emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
So I ended up using the metal flower. I put it on the left hand corner of my sign. I thought it was so cute and I ended up liking it this way. So this is the end result. I hope you like it and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.
Holding on or letting go. I'm fighting.